It's difficult to speak about a 13-year-old love story without thinking of the notion of destiny. But when you see Marc and Julianne together, that happiness, it's like being back here again at St. Andrews. There's history, there's magic, and there's that feeling that you never want it to end.
Who would have thought that a young American woman and a dashing Scottish lad would cross paths in this small town of Fife 13 years ago? But the journey the two of you have been on is a testament to the endurance of your love for one another. It's been a bit like the American Revolutionary War. It was long, but in the end, the Brits surrendered, right, Marc? Jewel, as we call her, was always a super easy kid. She was a go-getter. Mom and I are so proud of the beautiful woman that you've become.
For those of you who don't know, Marc's middle initials are DJ. So 33 years ago, Leslie and I had a premonition that a funk was coming. We can openly say from the bottom of our heart that he has been and still is the absolute role model son for us.
So Julia and I were reminiscing a few days ago about our St. Andrews days, and she asked me if I thought she was wife material when I first met her in 2009. I remember thinking to myself, definite wife material.